Great, welcome, G1. We're looking at nouns. Remember we did nouns and verbs and adjectives. Today we're just looking at nouns and you did really well. Amazing spelling, words like piggy bank, words like comb. You spelt them perfectly, well done. Now we need to remember this. When we talk about one thing, we always say it is a car, it is a book, it is a passport. Is really important. But if it's one thing and the first letter is a vowel, that is A, E, I, O, or U, then we need to say it is an. Have a look. It is an umbrella. It is an ice cream. It is an apple. It is an onion. It is an umbrella. The words flow better when you say an umbrella instead of umbrella. It's harder to say. But one more important thing, guys, pronunciation of two things. Firstly, these letters, not A, E, no, A, E, I, O, and U. And the other important thing is spelling. We need to make sure we say all of the English letters correctly. And we do it like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Listen to the way I'm saying them. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and
Z.
no, Z. Yeah. So the English, UK English, say the letters differently to Americans, and I think we also have a few different letters than in the Portuguese alphabet as well. Thank you.